Welcome back to Signal and Noise. We've talked about Wall Street and X, but today we're talking about the big one. In June 2026, 6 billion people, 75% of the planet, will tune into the FIFA World Cup across North America. But this isn't just about football. For the crypto industry, the 2026 World Cup is the ultimate on-ramp. It's the signal for a massive liquidity injection. Let's look past the noise. First, the plumbing. FIFA isn't just selling paper anymore. They've launched an NFT ticketing system powered by Avalanche. With 5.8 million tickets, this is the largest blockchain implementation in history, designed to kill the secondary scalper market. We're seeing a massive avalanche effect. Fans using the FIFA Collect wallet are driving on-chain activity to new heights. This is invisible adoption at its finest. Now the speculation. Polymarket just hit a record $6.2 billion week. Sports markets now account for 40% of all prediction activity. Chile's is implementing a performance burn. If Argentina wins, RG tokens are burned to increase scarcity. If they lose, more are minted. Historical data shows fan tokens peak 3 months before kickoff. We are in the accumulation zone right now. Smart money will exit as the game begins. The most underrated intricacy is the stablecoin layer. 11 U.S. host cities are partnering with Circle to allow USDC payments for merchandise. This avoids predatory currency fees for travelers. We're moving from store of value to medium of exchange, the holy grail for valuation. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 World Cup is a stress test that crypto will pass. It justifies institutional valuations with mass utility. It has all the ingredients for the final peak of the cycle: global eyes, institutional rails, and retail FOMO. Victory is won in the preparation. If you're not positioned for the World Cup pivot, you're behind the play. Like and subscribe for more. My name is Noel. Stay sharp, stay focused, stay updated.